financial year 1999, Bajaj Auto made its first loss ever in the two-wheeler segment. Not as a company, because fortunately our three-wheelers held us up, but that was the first time, and thank God the last time, that as a two-wheeler portfolio, we lost money. Now a situation like this is very romantic. Is very romantic for professors in business schools. It's very romantic for consultants. Maybe it's very romantic for you guys to write about. But it is anything but romantic to be inside it. People talk about how still waters do not make a great sailor. People talk about how not to waste a crisis. People talk about rising from the ashes like a phoenix. But the person who's in it is a nightmare for that person. And speaking of nights, there were a few nights at Bajaj Auto that time. First Joe that you saw.
Rated thrill to the millions of our fans around the world who use their ride as a way of self-expression.
The all-new Pulsar 250s are designed on the principles of sculptural purity. The front cowl embraces the tank in one beautiful, seamless look. The tone-on-tone is all about a dynamic interplay of the two hues that brings out the contours of the bike beautifully. The contrasting hues of the deep copper and the satin silver that you can see here make the heads really stun.
Coming to the specifications, the Pulsar 250 has a new tubular frame chassis. This offers high torsional stiffness and resistance to stress. The quarter-liter new 250 engine is a four-stroke, oil-cooled, fuel-injected. It offers power on tap with peak output of 24.5 PS and torque of 21.5 Newton meters.
Mated to the powerful engine is a constant mesh 5-speed transmission. The suspension gets telescopic forks in the front, and at the rear, we have an all-new monoshock suspension unit for better handling and a comfortable ride.
The 250s get an all-new LED projector unipod headlamp, and the F250 has this flanking reverse boomerang LEDs. Pulsar maniacs will surely be very, very excited, but you know the million-dollar question. What will a Pulsar maniac have to shell out, have to pay for these?